So when we begin to bathe ourselves, the first color, purplish blue or indigo, represents intuition, wisdom, spiritual initiation. It works through the crown chakra, the mind, affects your willpower, and it helps bring in the energy through your head towards the spine as well. It will balance your thinking and it uplifts spiritual perception. And the next color, let us bathe in emerald green 7 times from the top of the head to the bottom of my toes. You can also say from the top of my head to the soles of my feet, as long as you go head to toe. This is your own personal command. So as long as you are putting in the right ingredients, that's all that matters. This emerald green represents healing, harmony, generosity. It is really your freedom, right? The heart center is vibrating with green. So when we work through the body, this emerald green helps release physical pain, it provides cellular balance, but most importantly, the unconscious tensions and inherent patterns. So when we're doing a mental bathing, we are cleansing these different aspects of our body that may have created tension. Morrnah is just, oh man, every single step is so balanced it's a balance within a balance within a balance. And so you're cleaning your energy field. Just like in the old days when they would do an exorcism, they would go bathe in the ocean, or they'd have special places where the energy was equally balanced. And there's places all around Hawaii, Kahili, Kauai, Kahilihili. This is an exchange between 2 worlds. That's what I believe it means. I was actually guided there and I performed an exorcism. I was guided to perform it there. I had no idea where I was going, but I was with a woman who needed to release a husband that had been passed over. He passed, but she was holding on to him by way of an object. And she had a lot of resentment and anger. And it was one of the most difficult things I ever had to do. You have high tide on each side of this cove. And in the cove, it is so serene and it's very calm. Next color, ice blue. Let us bathe in ice blue 7 times from the top of the head to the bottom of our toes. 7 times. This ice blue represents calm, peace, provides emotional balance. It works through the solar plexus, the sacral and root chakra, softens emotional distress, particularly in the lower torso, and again, the subconscious. I would say the ice blue is a calming sedative for emotional conditions. Remember what Morrnah says, your emotional body covers the entire body. Your brain is a projector. It basically sends out the light everywhere in the body. It's signaling all the different locations, but your brain is actually not the storehouse, but rather an entry point at the top of the head. And our 4th and final color is white. And now this is something I've had to think about over the years because I don't have the original sheet, but I would say stick with white and not say pure white. Of course, I don't think that it would make too much of a difference, but one thing I thought about is that after this step, we're going into purification, and then she speaks about pure white. So this 4th color is perfectly ordered and purificating and wrapping up, doing the final blessing and sealing ourselves with the top coat of cleansing, a color of protection. The white also allows your spirit guides to refine any additional needs that you and your family, relatives, and ancestors might need. All right, let us mentally bathe ourselves in purplish blue 7 times from the top of our head to the bottom of our toes. 7 times. Okay, so what you just saw is one way that you can do it. I'll give you another way to do it, all right? We mentally bathe ourselves from the top of our head to the toe with the following color, emerald green, 7 times. Emerald green. Let us bathe in emerald green 7 times. Let us bathe in emerald green 7 times from the top of the head to the soles of the feet.